Welcome, alumni, the alumni of School of Public Health. We are organizing Alumni Day on 21st December this year. We'll begin our activities at 10 a.m. in TP Ganeshan Auditorium. As you know, every year we organize Alumni Day where thousands of our alumni assemble from all different colleges and they have a get together, they meet each other, they get the opportunities to meet their batchmates, their seniors, their juniors, the faculty of the colleges, and they can network, they can understand each other's organizations, activities, they can get to know more about on further progress, job opportunities, for developing their further career. In School of Public Health, we have developed lots of expertise in artificial intelligence, GIS, statistics, spatial statistics, and all these things which might not be existing in those years when you pursued your program here. So you can get the opportunity to get more knowledge about these things, update yourself. Further, you get the opportunity in the afternoon, you will have the opportunity to interact with the faculty and current students of the MPH and MSc programs. You can guide them, you can interact with them and share your experience, how you got the job, what exactly you are doing there, what sort of expertise is required to get this type of jobs, and during the course you can guide them what exactly they should prioritize so that they get better jobs. Further, you can think of developing some joint programs with the School of Public Health. As you know, we conduct large number of research projects. Recently we concluded National Family Health Survey NFHS 6, a very prestigious project of Government of India. Presently, we are busy in doing LASI project, longitudinal aging study in India. So in this type of projects, if you have some interest, you can get associated. If your organization is also doing some research projects, they want some collaboration, that's also possible. So possibilities will be tremendous. So we welcome you. We expect all of you to join us on 21st December, 10 o'clock at TP Ganeshan Auditorium, and then we'll come back to our School of Public Health and we will have lots of fun and interactions. There is something more for you to look forward to in this Alumni Day event. Those who completed more than up to 7 years after passing out, they can think of getting Young Achievers Award. 7 to 15 years, Eminent Achievers Award, and more than 15 years, Distinguished Achievers Awards. So if you want to nominate yourselves, you can do so. If you want to nominate somebody else, you can do so. You need to inform the alumni coordinator. As you know, in our campus for School of Public Health, Ms. Geeta is the alumni coordinator. You can inform her and you can look forward to receiving some of these awards.